Good evening, evening people, evening. Boy, luck coming away, luck coming away. Because I never decide to give you another video. But after I done do the morning video, people, the video wanna get this morning. I'm say, alright, let me do a little quick run through before I go lie down and sleep. Because I tell myself, say, me I retire early tonight. That's last night, Saturday night. So I say, me run through. So I do my normal checks, but me not itch. I check Facebook, I check my Instagram, I check my YouTube, I go over TikTok. But I just a pass and a fast. So after I'm done, normally Facebook would be the last thing I check. But I end up check Facebook and then now check the rest of things then. Keep in touch with my online banking because I don't know how things are go. Yeah, and then through I got Price Mart today and yesterday and stuff. Today, I do the video now, so today. I check my online banking and do all my little necessary checks and stuff. Go back on YouTube now and say, I take one little last scroll and see where go on when I never see or probably we are going live now. Buck up in a one channel when I not see this channel for months. I don't know what happened. I don't know. I never hear about the person. So, when me look, me say, D Mule Tina Chin. I prefer to in Jamaica with what? A Ming. Something right here, so. How weak she feel right here, so. Oh, but you join up the MI. Job Mule Tina Chin. I prefer to in Jamaica with me wig. I drop off from me damn. Whatever. So, Lorraine camp, Larry the Lizard, and her camp come out for Tina. And them never leave no stone unturned. Because at one point it come like them a pick up for the man of England. But them a play some memory. And when me say the camp. Because me hear all, well, me don't know if one car woman, they know they boom whole time car there. When them say expensive, but them not expensive no more because them not a resale value. Yeah, me don't know it sound like she was the one playing the memories. One story where me hear about from one longer time Tina ball over married man. The memories come back up. And me hear now for myself because all along me I hear people talk I never hear but now me hear for myself. Oh, she said the man a treat her like shit. Big Tina, radio broadcaster. People in a high places have man a treat her and the woman husband, you know. How the man left her hungry and she give her all to him and you give your all to a married man. So are you come out here and say you're so miserable in a life? You never hear say you must take married man. You never hear. Oh, me hear say me must take married woman. Cause my shirt them a go tear up on my clothes. So you never hear about the married man. People, me not itch. What do they do? Like, share, subscribe. You know, no fun never hear neither. So we're going to play that memories, yeah. And then them are going to play the memories. And then them are going to turn her. Because you don't know. Call in if you go on. And you know the speaker have to talk. Alright. So, what do they do? Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up and hit the video. If you have not yet subscribed to this channel and you watch, subscribe now. Or stay on the 17%. We are eater. Because something is coming to you. Alright? Don't worry. So get out like now if you're not a hater and you want to be a supporter and hit the subscription button. Remember, follow me on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. Also go follow me on my backup YouTube channel, Life is a Mission TV, family oriented channel. Different thing from over here. Every little mixture, everything over there. Alright? Go over there. And remember now, support the merch on the website charmsandtrend.shop. Charmsandtrend.shop. Speak mind t-shirts over there. Anything you want to see on the website, you can get it. Alright? And get it customized. That's a good thing about shopping with Charms and Trends. Anything you see, you get it customized. We don't make nothing put on where you have a take where you get. You come and you see phone case. If you want your picture upon it, you get your picture. If you want your wife, your husband, your picnic, you get it. Alright? Yes, man. Customized things we deal with. So here one. Oh, and the cash app is there this time of the month when we give back a bag or two of groceries to the needy and not the greedy. check out the Cash App, $ Charms and Trends. And if you do have a Cash App or a Zelle, although the Zelle is not pinned, you can contact me at 876-221-9789. I will take it from there. What money is screen there, because remember the video kind of coming like some old LP. You know, the old time LP and 8-track cassette. Yeah, so them kind of nicey. So I want to listen. Because me say, it come like it a play from a different platform. Maybe every do want to play that something, you know, but it's sweet, so I have to play it because probably the next voice when I hear, me never use that person there yet, you know. I mean, not too like, you know, the ears not too, but at the first me I hear it, I mean, no, probably someone at the first you not gonna hear it. So I want to listen keenly. Get in the video.
Rob has been treating her unfair and like nobody, more like shit. Now, cheat, we're going to play her voice out. I'm a nobody to you, and your actions basically.
I should have touched that. Listen to her, Tina girl.
Okay? I'm a
A
nobody.
long time she a dog, not just now.
You understand me? It's all good now. It's all good.
When I hear?
It's all fucking good. Alright? But the move on time you leave what? Because the cool shoulder treatment when I give me now, that's it.
Cold shoulder treatment where you give me, you know? Big hot girl, Barbie a ball over man. Barbie no ball over man. Barbie look too good. Barbie can get man anytime. The man say if you're hungry, where? You are. How can you loyal to a married man? That simply means you want his loyalty. You show him loyalty because you want his loyalty. So you don't consider his wife at home? That's all you want to go around and take, man? Eh? Jesus, please, people. Me have to double up. Me have to double up. Me have to play about the Kamala Harris. Right in that make like video, yeah. People, me play the Kamala Harris at the top of the video. Me I go play it right in the middle, yeah. So me I cut right now and play it. Don't listen to Kamala Harris, yeah.
Tina, I can see that you are so bitter and angry against the world because you spent your good years as a waste receptacle for men's sperm. Fall on your knees, cry out, and ask God to remove the shame of your incarceration and desire to grind every man you see.
Only hear Kamala Harris say? Because probably never hear this man in the first video. That means Kamala Harris know her business. Yes! Kamala Harris know her business. So you know you Kamala tell you all her business? Yes! Kamala Harris know her business. And everything that Kamala tell you a while ago. So you never believe? You're a dog? Shit!
Find the one where she lick out Rabati. Yeah, that I did one. No, it's the part 2 here. The part 2 here.
It look like Rob get cut off. Never stop calling Rob for see that, you know, because always I get cut off.
He must stay with the wife. He can't answer you. Him can't answer. Hit the right way wife there. Because she's the shit she are. That drunk crow when named Tina Chin, drugs mule. That's the shit she are. So Rob can't answer
Why
my
she gonna
rubber
wake
time
up back
wife.
Larry?
You crazy?
Tell Larry say she that Jamaica and her wig a blow off her head.
Yeah.
So you never see when Marcia won up at a blow off of her head.
1 hour black here.
Hot girl Marcia come up a party how much time the at a blow off her head and she never outdoor. No AC never turn on. And you gonna wake up Larry about her wig. You're crying. You hear the Barbie a cry. Barbie was supposed to take man and park man. Make man take her and park her. How where the rascal job is? Father God, if you're not busy next Sunday and I keep prayer meeting, come here, come here.
Here's drunk crowd. Nobody. Nobody. Rotten Tina. Rob left the jail. The drugs me all hungry.
Why Tina wake up Larry? Why you never low Larry and her wig? Cause you cuss people about ear and you know no good ear neither Tina.
Okay, people, we're going to call back Rob because it seems like we need to get the full story about why Rob has been treating Tina G like shit. Cut off. Now stop calling up and say that I don't know, because always I get cut off. Anyway, people listen. No bad too much.
So I rob the man name so the man rob Tina crutches and dash her away. Rob Tina crutches and left her by the wayside. You know, if you have good salt to take a woman married. You know, if you have good salt to take a woman husband. You know, can't come in and rock the salt. I expect someone to take a man from a woman. And then the stiff wine the way you have to come better than the man wife. Whoa! Here hot girl, but man left her hungry and she was so fucking hungry. Up in her feelings to the people them man. I force me hear it in the people because me I hear about it, but me I force me a listener.
Man mascot.
That past man mascot.
Why you call them girl here? Man mascot.
Then the name Reverend Refuse. Reverend Refuse them the name. The man should have review out all at the night there and left you hungry. Me don't know much out, and me don't know phone over here now. We are listening, never hear. On always hear people talk about it, but you don't hear it now. First me I hear it, bro. That's why me have to bring it come, cause first me I hear it. I always hear people talk about it. So that's why you feel like say every woman a man mascot. You feel like every woman a Revan Park. You feel like every woman a rental. You feel like every woman a taxi. You feel like every woman a downtown to Alpha Tree, downtown to Waterhouse bus. Man just jump on the step. Man all up all it back when him ready. go up the road. Every man want a free ride. You feel like every woman are the same thing. And that's why you come out here for chocolate. Oh. And that's why you come out here for chocolate. You know, say, everything that this girl you put on people out here and think about people is her reality in her life. I wonder if you realize. Everything this girl you talk about people and want to pin on people and what people do and what people do her is her reality in her life. Me hear she play a skit. Me I go say me find the skit and play it right now. Where she have a play about she come and read news. But I think it come from the same video we me do this morning because me tell them me never play out the whole of the video where the woman start talk about chocolate because me know this was all a thing we arrange. So make her find the skit where she play. I wanna listen to it. And the same thing will happen to she now. She feel like I got happen to chocolate or I happen to chocolate. Hold on. So this is how we get creative sometimes. Because you see the skit here, you know, and this is the right time to show you what me has tried to say to you. So this girl, like, everything will happen to her, I wish she come out and come talk about other people, fear reality. Listen now how she go address about news because of where the woman she set up to call in to come say what she say. Wanna listen?
We interrupt your sleep to bring you this late-breaking social media.
With Tina Chan. The planker who calls herself Chocolate, otherwise known as Sledgehammer, is currently going through some marital problems.
And she have the woman for her backdrop.
Chocolate, seen here in this photo, is not allowed
Husband
to
want
conduct
her
any more
about
Facebook Lives
recording
in her home.
Facebook Live.
It is also alleged that Chocolate's husband is cheating on her.
I know you do.
Although the identity of the other woman is unknown, it's alleged that Chocolate's husband would take their marital problems and tell it to the other woman.
This girl reality in her life, I wish it want to come out here, come put on others and choke on others. That's why she's so delusional. Because through these things happen to her, she come out here and put them on people. And believe every word what she say about the people them what she talk about. All because of what happened to she. Back to regular programming.
Well, nobody put Mary in a corner, nigga. Nobody put me in a corner. I do my own shit. I pay my own bills. I do my own shit. No nigga.
I can't buy like a food a ball to man so them if you're hungry. What?
No, we have to waste my time, Lico. Just an hour. Just an hour. We have to waste my time per man mascot. Jugs Mule. So this Jugs Mule putting up my picture. Oh, should I Jamaica with wig off? Jugs Mule, come here. Me that prefer go Jamaica.
Give it to her. Give it to them. Give it to them.
Right? Then handcuff. Then police are walk me down in a cell.
Why you trouble the Larry then?
Oh, you compare me and you.
Why you wake up
yes,
Larry?
Yes, what me got Jamaican, me can't come tell you say immigration need a search me down or nobody call immigration for search me because me clean. Me clean. You understand?
People they can't tell me why she got trouble
clean.
Larry about her wig.
Right now you don't know if Trump not soon send you home. Come and dig up all of the convict them. All of them. Whether you have a book or you don't have no book, it
oh.
You know what I'm mad you?
Oh.
You get the drugs and all you can see out of it. I want to record all over Google. Every time I go up on Google for go learn to read, and you pop up.
And that's why she want to put people on Google too. Because she want company.
And nobody tell if you get drugs and tormented, not get nothing out of it.
That's why she want to put people on Google. Because she want when people search and she alone, them see other people too.
You want me show you me tiger? What you have in America?
Make I eat 2 crackers. We are not friends either. Don't get comfortable. Larry, don't get comfortable. We are not friends. How did we give you crackers?
You're living out a bag. You're not shame drunk, bro. You can't go find something or you're tormented, sir. Go find something to do. Speaking intelligently and have ambition, you're a drunk crow. You're a crow like the handcuff. We have 10 more handcuff one go on your. You can't go catch some more drugs, dog shit. You can't go stuff up some more drugs in your wall and make them all your drunk crow and make one less to deal with on the internet germs. Go on to California. Go bet them push up some more drugs in your wall. I go on a Virgin Island. Bet them shove up some more in your wall. Make handcuff get for going back to your hand where you have to hide. You know see a picture all over internet drunk cry.
Hide the
the
handcuff.
And it's still a show.
Hey, the last time I do one skit, YouTube,
And
black
my
the
picture
skit.
you ever show with
They
we
didn't know
come
the on the
off.
channel, people.
Drunk
You
remember
can't go watch
post
the
the
skit.
picture and show you how
When
me
it
come
come
on
from
my
man
yard.
and they and all them
With
sitting
no
there.
wig,
The
me
skit
not
there.
born in a wig.
But restriction in the
Me
panic, but you
can't live
can't
out
see
a
it.
wig. When I go to
I
Jamaica
forgot
and
way
look
back in the
and
last year,
look
though.
on me, I go through my gated
From bad
community.
skit
You
there, them
know,
and them in
you
the
know
fair.
how proud me feel? When me go to bap and put the
So when
key
the camera roll up,
from
confuse the
gate
panda
and see gate
skit
and what
there
man
we
I
do.
say, Lorraine, you one in there, sir? You think we can do that? In drunk crow, you think
Oh no, wait, the
we
speaker
can
no
do
come
that?
yet. The speaker soon come.
Dog shit, when me I come on my yard and my natural ear me snap back. I go and post it and show you. When I'm coming to my yard, I'm a natural ear me snap back. You have picture go around. Watch how she in Jamaica with wig. You this handcuff pa me hand? Alright, me post you pam YouTube. Can me post you with the handcuff hide. Which one embarrassing? And me pay $89 for me wig. And me not even carry it up, me give me cousin the wig, cause them done on my style. Me delete the wig left at Jamaica. Right at Jamaica, me left it. For me wear it, go down and it drop off of my head. And right there left. Yeah, compare a wig, come back with short title. Come back with sure when we got Jamaica, me can't drive myself. Me never see you drive yourself for your drunk crow.
Anyway, seriously, no people. I know two side cutlass, but you don't know my style. If two of them I got them one there, me there in the middle for just wave it. Wave it. Wave it. Me a listen Larry the Lizard and Murder Tina. So me wave it. Yes, but honestly, come here, woman. If you go to the road and your wig drop off your head in an embarrassment. I lie me a tell. We should know no woman if you know that road. Worse if you know feel like you know hot and a muggle and I go about on the ways. And somehow breeze are sitting itch your wig and take it off of your head. Who are going to tell me so you're not embarrassed? You're not embarrassed, man. And that's why Tina run out and do what she do. Because she know Larry's supposed to be embarrassed, but she want to bring it to the public because the public might not see. So she see it, so she want to expose it. But this is what me I say. I see them way so when people go around and see things, see you, T-girl, and post it, you must be vexed and upset. Because me never know about no wig. Many others never know say wig blow off or drop off or fall off or whatsoever off a Larry head. How you carry out you know make me know. You understand? And not I think me never see it still, but if you never do that, Larry will come out your fear. Larry and her team will come out your fear, you know. That mean no say you come out here and say Larry wig drop off her head at Jamaica. I wish she dip on jet blow and it blow through the window. What a ratty if that they never end up in all one of the ratty engine pan the wind. I how it drop off of your head, Larry. When you land or when you're landing. When you land or when you're landing. Me don't know. Me ask.
Well on the speaker.
Me know it's a little embarrassing sign, but don't her, Larry. Don't her. Speaker come now to Rasta Jah.
Answer. Sorry, speaker, come.
Speaker come now.
You talk about wig. What is a wig? Me leave it at Jamaica. Go and post the picture and show you how I come up. Go clean out your dirty nose. Yes, speaker.
What is that while ago? Oh, hey. What is she figure do? So how she a post people with dirty nose? She got clean out her dirty nose. So how she oppose people with dirty nose? So when let's go right back to what me say again, reality she fear knows if I dirty, so she oppose people dirty nose.
I must say over them one, me say we get right through.
Eating my cinnamon crackers from Excelsior.
When she talking about the wig, she must go look on the two or something when she put on fair wig when she call baby ear. Oh, them look like two. Come on, let me tell you something, you know. Let me tell you what's going on with this dirty girl. This girl feel like saying she dip on her hype because these people come out and curse the baker boy in England. And I never say something, you know. You see, as a Jamaican, me personally, me not join with nobody from no other country for bring down not Jamaican. If me and any Jamaican out here have any issue, me I will deal with them myself. And some of only need to stop going on people business and put on the nose and finger in a people business. Because this is why this dirty drunk girl now I go on like say she get on the iPad, she come go on the most way because
And the whole team out. But you know, say when speaker hold the floor, she don't want to let it go. She take it over like a fair platform. Me know she have so much sense and education and capability, and she have a platform for herself.
If she goes somewhere and she hears somebody say something bad about Dana, she itch up her nasty ass because that is who she is. Don't allow this little dirty
So
girl
true.
when I live
So
with
true. That's how she is true.
this dirty girl will have to touch her people.
Once you're in something and she go anywhere and hear anybody else and hear a problem, she want to join forces with them. And she no matter where the people them say if it goes to her or not, she just run with it. And it's exactly what she do with the Trinidad argument.
You out there, Lorraine Campbell Brown, saying that you take people, man, and you. Then nobody know out there with your name. I talk about your dancehall mattress. Whatever man ride through and dash yourself because you're not wife worthy. You know, say one man put ring on her finger and have to run left far. Make the dirty careless girl go sit down. You see all of them people there where boots are up. Wait till you say something to her where she not like. Tina not have nothing over you, Lorraine.
Not a thing. I come show me picture about watch the wig and lift up. Watch the wig and lift up. Eh?
Are we smart then?
Tina Chi, why you
Never
not
gonna
show the
go on
one with me
Facebook
in a
to ask.
bank?
Oh, see your Facebook phone now.
Make sure you show your picture because at the end of the day,
Make her look on the Facebook picture. Because if I see it over Facebook.
own a house where she can here in America or in Jamaica where she can step to and turn a key in. I don't think she have $1,000 in her bank account. This drunk and have nothing over you, Lorraine. So let her show your picture. Look, you put yourself on social media. You put up your picture. Say if you didn't shame on yourself, why would you put it
Not
up?
at all. Look very pretty. I eat a mother. Come I got Jamaica mother. I'm not Chinese no put me no way.
You there Jamaica do your business. What kind of business she have to do?
I wish how much days know that though? Because
How many what she need to
at
do?
least she do like so rapid.
Social media. How many times was she trafficking drugs, trafficking coke before she get caught? Because that wasn't the first time.
Nah, the second.
I go to her background, she put it up in her. Because me not see nothing there, so.
To make man rape them and molest them to go carry drugs. Right?
Not at all. The time she watch my ear, she
See the
look
side of
like
her body,
a
yeah?
cancer
And on
doctor.
the side of her body, yeah, she have confidence in it. See the side where you not see? She not show that side in no time in a no picture. The part of the art and this look like it do good to suit her. The next side don't do good, so she not show that side there. Always a side that she show. And she talk it on her life. Say she confident the side of her body, that's why she take her picture there and show only that side there.
Dirty wig where she have on her head. I'm gonna wash her dirty face. Make she move her nasty ass and go sit down. Like she feels that she up on her hype right now. That's our problem. She feels that she up on her hype.
Why me not see his picture? Almost when she do her live, she put it up on the background. Cause no picture she put, she not post nothing.
Drunk of the have several seats. You know nobody. You are nobody on social media. You ever hear any man come out on social media talk about how them pass through Lorraine and which part them stick up Lorraine and saka Lorraine and leave her there drunk? You ever hear Lorraine out here? You ever hear Lorraine vice out here? A bar on a tape over people married man drunk? You ever Google Lorraine? I see Lorraine police record how she carry how she a traffic court drunk. clothes and walk out, same way you still a dirty whore. You put on your clothes and your wig and walk out, same way you still a dancehall mattress.
Still a liquor body.
When you watch all this now, people, I don't know if you hear she talk about this little boy where she claimed to say his mother and must see her support, long time supporters. Where she said go through 7 hours worth of surgery. Watch it now. You never need to take this put on your platform. You is no family member. You is no donor to whatever medical cost the little boy go through. Watch what you make sure you do. Permission to post granted. Malik just underwent a 7-hour surgery. I wish him nothing but the best for the future. Imagine you are not alone. We are all here cheering for Malik. You and the rest of your family, thank you for allowing me to share this with my followers who are concerned about Malik. Your followers concerned about Malik, you never have to post this. This is no help to Malik if your followers care about him. You never need to post this. Alright, you take up this and you post the people picnic going through 7-hour worth of surgery. Why didn't you show your daughter going through her chemo? Why you never get permission from your daughter to post on her page, on your page, going through chemo? Why you didn't do that? Why you take the, but you ask permission? You never need to ask no permission, you shall leave it alone. But your followers concerned. And if you even get this video, wherever you get it, whether the family post it or what, and you want to share it with your followers, you know, send it in them WhatsApp. You know, have your friend them WhatsApp and contact. But this is how you know and stay. But the reason why you post this, because the first day you come on your platform and talk about this, you know, I was looking for you to come out and talk about GoFundMe. And you did do it. But I was looking forward for you to play a major part in that GoFundMe. Up till now, I don't hear nothing yet, but it's not too late. Because probably after recovery, you could have said him want this and you encourage the people them to do this and do that and put it through you. You think you're nice? Why you never post your daughter going through chemo? Why you have to go out of your way to ask permission to post the little boy?
You don't have no character out here. For nobody put you on a pedestal whore. Dirty girl. Drunk girl. You know, I'm no character on social media for try to come out and come class. Nobody on social media. But sit your illiterate ass down. What you need to do is go find a good gynecologist and go wash out and sanctify your dirty front. Your front where every man on social media draw all about the place, and that you have to do.
And the teeth them in a red.
That is too bright person, you know. One or tell one to them illiterate.
A wig.
A Lorraine a plant seed.
A whole heap of seed.
Lorraine's wig. You don't know what to say. Unlike you.
One nation.
No plain fear. Me no scam nobody.
Scam the people them. I make promise to them to
Speak
get
me
clean
mind.
free for boy. Sit your nasty rascal down. You're drunk on you. You feel for your dip on the eye? You can't come past
I say me never book that video, you know, and now me a draw gear up. Man eat illness, you know, after me pass the soldier camp there, you know. Mother sleep, you know. But me couldn't wait till the morning. Because me now wait till about 5 o'clock tomorrow. So I decided to do it tonight.
Try change up your life and live a clean life. You're not a character in a class out here to come out here from class. Nobody on social media. You will holler at you. You know, so you look when anyway you go, you have to show your two breasts. Eh? You know, see no man no want you. You know, see some of these said man no look on you. You're drunk, huh? You're not wife material.
I still see it, me say that too.
Lorraine then? Lorraine a wife material.
I still see it, me say that too. Me not lie, me say it, remember?
So much you come out here talking about the woman and the woman wig. Yeah, watch the woman wig and the woman and watch the seeds that she's planting. And that she a watch. Take Donald Trump as much as she has
Me left 4 o'clock tomorrow. Don't eat off everything one time. Don't have feasting today and famine tomorrow. So I left 4 crackers. So tomorrow, if I have a cup of tea, who learned that from the grandparents? Don't have feasting today and famine tomorrow. Always share what you have today for tomorrow. Left back something. Nobody. Not even Marcia you can't come out and come class, Tina. We have roach around up and down all about. See they are join Marcia. Marcia a trendsetter. Marcia homeless long before you when you come and follow Marcia. And you say you're a Barbie. You're not Barbie. You only for be Barbie and I run down Marcia with homelessness. You run down Marcia for trend on social media. And at the same time you run down Marcia for be homeless. Where? Are you a Barbie? Barbie don't do that. No, Barbie don't do that.
I would never take up myself as a Jamaican and join with anybody from anywhere to bring down, to try and bring down. No care where that Jamaican do me. And if that Jamaican do me something, me cuss out them backside. Because you know, so when I'm ready, me can't go that way.
Tina always a seek help, you know. And she say she don't need help. But she always seeking help. And so she run over on the campus seek help too. You know so she stay. And same so she run come over for the campus seek help.
Because Mr. White about you know, sister, she know over there run up and down again. Eh? She soon start shade them.
They don't know the friendship between this person and the baker guy wife or whatever it is. And when I want to take up and they say, Ghana, well, you're not going to listen and keep the finger quiet. And the worst part of it, a lot of you running around with this earset. Nobody not going to proof to say X is X and Y is Y. How would you all feel? How would you all...
I don't normally agree with her, you know. Because our face scare me. Our wigs them scare me. So I never normally agree with her, but I have to agree with her now. Because I have said the same thing. How can you running around like you're sure? Just because you and the man is not friend. You hear other people say things. Just like how you know on social media say things and it not go so. And you run with it like you have, like a proof you gonna get. Because otherwise Saga the energize Tina on social media right now, you know. And makes she feel like she can take on the whole social media. You don't notice? And the whole social media Tina take on, you know. One gal against the world. You don't realize? She add Lorraine to the list, you know, in the camp, you know. Because once you call Lorraine, you know, you call the camp. You understand? You name too much people them where she gone already. And more to come. If it wasn't for that whole saga, that saga coming at the right time for Tina if you can make her money, if you can pay her rent or help contribute to her daughter bills. Which part she gone catch up. You understand? Because if it's never for that saga, should have lost in the wilderness. Right now, I wonder what is going to be the next move. How she going to gain her money. But the argument just come right in the right time and she just seek a track. She just get a traction from it. On her channel. You understand? A traction just run on her channel feed. And you know she just stick to it. Then now she realize it if it die down. So she start taking on everybody one. To keep herself going because she have to try build her money for the next pay bill in a YouTube. Because me say, no baking look like it can't go on at the yard. And she can't go bake 1 or 2 cake or 6 cup cake. And pay for bake that. And it's not profitable. Oh, so she have to use the social media now for her source of income. How much I want to know Tina how long? And the first for me know Tina on social media for the past 3 and a... No, because I there 3.5 years out here. But I depend on the media from 20 Right after Dana start charity. If Dana start charity what? 2019, me out at 2020. Must see what? Just in when Corona start. Right there so. And at the first me see Tina dey on live so often. Tina beat all Marcia. Marcia the one me used to sit on live regular much live. But Tina beat Marcia right now. That Tina create a little office, a little station in her the little squinch up place so they can't move too much.
Feel if that wasn't a brother or a son, as much as I don't like the boy, I would never contribute to the nastiness. As much as I don't like him, and it's not that I hate him, I just don't like his ways. And that's okay, because that's human. But not when I run up and down, him have this, him I do this. Where is the proof? How would you all feel if people were out here saying the same things about you? Where is the proof? None of want to take on a 2-iron seat. But no, everybody get up and everybody run with hearsay. Aren't you all adults? Are you adults or school children? I saw them make people drown out to bring down on one another as Jamaicans. When they think it look good, it don't look good. It don't look good. If him trouble me, toss out him backside. But me not go join up with nobody for go run up and down and talk about him have this or him have that. And enough of one way out there talk about what the boy have when have worse and don't even know. So what if him have it? Nobody never go and shit go by no sickness. So what if he not have it? So what if him have it? At least him a take care of himself. No how now walk with herpes or walk with gonorrhea and all kind of shit on the nastiness. And we not do nothing about it.
Tina could have a lot of that right now walking.
She win some kind of trophy or she win some kind of prize. Leave Lorraine alone. Cause you can't walk in a Lorraine shoes. Cause a man never take Lorraine and twist her up and turn her up.
Leave her hungry.
Your friend, husband at that, your friend.
Nasty.
Your friend.
It was her friend, husband. Tina, so your kitty cat did loose. Tina, your kitty cat did loose, man. Your friend, husband. Kamala Harris never wrong. Kamala Harris never wrong. You know what she said? Your kitty cat did loose, Tina. Loose. Anyway, people, me not gonna further in the video because I'm 4 hours of live this. Me don't even know what happened further down, but me just like the little part when me hear for myself because me always hear other people that talk.
Nothing but a criminal record. I tell mother.
No, I lie, man. I'm not 40 years. I'm not 40 years.
40 years.
Curly all on her, so I'm not 40 years.
All it come out with a criminal record.
She not did a 40 years. You have to lie this up.
Right up.
Down.
And
Up,
left down.
down. Up, down. Hey.
You're out here fast with people.
Hey.
Eh? You know, sister?
You know why? Me tell you the honest truth. You know why the doctor put that one here up and that one here down? You see the side of me showing where she proud and she not proud of the next side. That are the side will drop down. So the doctor did try and match her up back. So he put this up while down this one other side they drop down. And then the one now will come up and put that breast here down. So it does match. You know, up down side. Up down side. You understand? Yeah, and that the doctor do her. The doctor just try to match back up here so with down there so.
Your favor some whole jump on the road.
And the dirty followers them with there before them say listen. No talk about nobody wig. Cause you have a drugs conviction charge out here we can't lift your name. I bet me that proper wear a wig while lift up. Them people see handcuff for me and when me have to throw a white cloth over it. Wouldn't I see it? Me a show
People me have a skit out there. When me do we up in the last year, you can go check it.
Bet me show no.
But to all me have to skip the boy. Like the officer them a take it, I tell her to take out all of what she have in the something in her pocket. Yeah. Skip the bad. When you can go search it, man. On the thumbnail, I think I
social
put her
media
already
have
sitting
my
there, come
picture
out
out
there
there
and our radar
and
car,
go
police
fuck.
car and prisoner and
Police
sitting.
attack me myself for drugs and me
Well, you
not
can
get
go
a
check
house
out the
out
channel
of it.
and go
Me
run up
still
the
have to
views
walk
on it.
and live out a
We're
bag.
not going to laugh and
Tina
see that they
Ching have
skip them.
several seats.
I
You
don't
know
know, me
see
I
a
do the skip
plot
them in a good
exposed
one
one
now.
day.
Anyway,
Drunk
people,
come in up catch a girl yard.
so some girl come and chat. But we are at it.
How she behaving now? She only want to...
As you thought that. Not 2 weeks ago, she done a master party. They say me no catch a girl yard. So how she come and chat. And I go like say, yeah, she a put food in my pot. Oh, she no catch a girl yard. She catch her daughter yard. Speak my mind, people, bless upon herself. Who not lucky. But she not sleep, you know. But me go about this and I say me can't wait till tomorrow. Because I wait till tomorrow, I have to wake up too early to do it. To upload it and make sure everything is okay for to get it. So I say better me do it from tonight and upload it. Any little difference, me can do it tomorrow evening and have it. So no lucky when I get 2 videos. Bless upon yourself, do the do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up and hit the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. And remember now, follow me on TikTok Life is a Mission TV and go support the merge. Check out the website charmsandtrend.shop. Cash App is there. It's that time of the month. When you gift me use the gift to give back to the needy. Buy a 1 bag of food or 2 bag of food. Depends on how I can afford it from my little much and we come. If not come, we still do it whichever way I can. Bless up. Peace out.